In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice with Autopay in your sales platform. This can be particularly useful for businesses and freelancers who have clients that require regular invoicing. By setting up recurring invoices, you save time and ensure consistency and reliability in your billing process, which can greatly enhance your operational efficiency. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the sales section of your platform. Here, you will see a variety of options, but you should focus on the Invoices category. Once you're in the Invoices area, look for the section specifically dedicated to recurring invoices. This is your go-to spot for managing and setting up any automatic billing processes. Now, to create a new recurring invoice, simply click on the New Recurring Invoice button. This is typically located as a prominent feature within the Recurring Invoices section, so it should be relatively easy to find. Clicking this button will prompt the system to open a new form where you can input the specific details of your invoice. When filling out the invoice form, begin by entering all necessary client details and services provided. This includes the client's information such as their business name and contact information, as well as a detailed description of the services or products you are billing them for. Precise and concise descriptions are important as they help avoid any potential confusion for your clients. Next, it's time to set the interval for your invoices. The interval determines how frequently invoices are sent out to the client. You have various options here ranging from weekly and monthly to more custom schedules that suit your specific needs. Consider what billing period aligns best with your business operations and client agreements to choose the most appropriate option. Furthermore, enabling the Autopay feature can streamline the payment process. By selecting this option, you allow your clients to have their payments debited automatically at the scheduled intervals. This not only reduces the hassle for your clients, but also ensures timely payments, improving cash flow and reducing the administrative burden on your end. Always ensure that your clients are informed about this feature and have agreed to its use to maintain transparency and trust. Once you have carefully reviewed and filled in all the necessary information, the final step is to save your new recurring invoice. Make sure to double check all details to avoid any errors that could complicate the billing process. Saving it will activate the schedule and ensure that invoices are sent out automatically according to your specified interval. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a recurring invoice with Autopay enabled. This setup will help maintain a smooth and efficient billing process, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.